first order off of Aliexpress. This package started out in China. And if you all don't know, I love my Chinese overlords. My wife thought I ordered a bag of cocaine, a box of cocaine, because that's what it looked like to her. But let's open it up. I got me a toy. This is a small purchase I found. Thought it would be fun to play with and test out Aliexpress before I ordered something a little more expensive. And I found another indoor hobby I've always been interested in. Had one when I was 16. And that is remote control buggy. When I was 16, it's in the 80s, and my little buggy could do 35 miles an hour. I didn't have phones back then, cameras and stuff, so I had my mom drive down the road, clock it. But this guy here is supposed to be fully proportional throttle. And I ordered the orange one. Hopefully that's what one we get. Got a little card. Thank you. The store on Aliexpress I ordered this from, I believe is, where's the name? I'll have to get the name. It's like it's Ocus Baby Online Store. And they had free shipping for this little guy. It took like 12 days to get here from China. Not bad. I had to go through both customs. And the steering's not proportional, but it's a 132 scale, and it's supposed to go 12 miles an hour. So, get it out of the box. See this thing. Oh, look at that. Instructions. The box isn't even dented. So we have cones and little pylons with the stickers that go on the pylons for making your own course. And there is the buggy. Get that guy. Pretty cool. It has some kind of spring in the back. Some kind of wedge thing. The front isn't. It has a trim here for the steering. This is the controller. Forward, reverse. This is proportional, so I should be able to go kind of slow. And this, that almost feels proportional, but I don't think it is. It has lights and 2 speeds. So, not bad. That thing fits in my hand pretty good for a cheap little controller. So, this is what we're going to do. Comes with a charger. I don't rip anything in case it doesn't work. So, little charger. I don't think I have one like that. I got all kinds of little chargers for a drone. And that'll be the next video I show. Will be a new drone I got for Christmas. And the little batteries in here. My metal detecting video didn't work out so well. The video got corrupted. So we'll have to go out again, record some more. The woods over here kind of got, I'm not supposed to go there and dig, I guess, so that's alright. I will find some more parks with the school. Not sure how to get this thing out. There we go. That is a tiny battery. It just fits right in there. Off on switch. Get it off. It was on the whole time, but it wasn't plugged in. Under the top. If the top is screwed on. If it just pops off. Might screw on. What that is. Oh, it just pops off. There we go. Yeah, a little buggy. There's the light. The antenna. Stick that antenna up out of the hole. Maybe I'll do that. Put a hole in there. Right there next to it. The antenna can come out to the side. That'd be a good one. Okay. See a little spring in there. Now the other one I saw was real bouncy. This one seems real nice. You can see the little motor in there. Transmission gears. Cool. Alright. So let's put it back together and charge it up. I can't get it to full speed in here.
Mm-mm.
It just spins out. It can't get traction.
Oh, oh. What if you set stuff down? Like a blanket or something so you get traction.
The proportional throttle is kind of cool because I can have it. See, that's second gear.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how slow I can get it to go if I hold it just right. Cool. Alright, let's wait for the battery to charge.